Is it allowed for women to learn Quran online with a male teacher, with a group of women, or alone?
Okay, is it allowed for women to learn Quran from a male teacher? Number one, we say the woman's voice is not awrah. But at the same time, female is more encouraged to get learning from females. Always. So, if you haven't got somebody to teach you Quran from the females, then no problem, because you want to learn your Quran to go to the males. But when you go to the males, there are conditions. Number one, when you talk to the male, you don't make your voice in a tone that will arouse the male. Do you understand what I'm saying? The female, if she starts talking in a certain tone, she has to be like a man talking to him. Official. She say the word official. Not to start twisting her words and doing this, and then the man, he will start opening his ears and somewhere else as well. And also, that the woman, she as well should not show her face or her mouth to the teacher. Just listening. But showing her mouth and he's looking at her and, no, I think your teacher should be like that way. It should be like this way. Nah, that's not correct. Okay, so that's a female teacher, but not for the male. Because see the woman, unless she's an old woman. So you are young, you are 20 and she's above her 80. No problem. You could sit with her and teach her mouth to mouth. She looks to you because there is no fitna. As long as there's no fitna, alhamdulillah. There is a fitna, we have to stop it. Now, so that's why Imam Maliki said, إِيَّاكَ وَأَن تَدْخُلَ عَلَى النِّسَاءِ وَتَقُولُ أُرِيدُ أَن أُعَلِّمَهَا كِتَابَهُ. Be aware just to enter on a woman and to say, I just want to teach her the Quran, how to learn it, how to recite it. Don't trust yourself into the shaitan. Shaitan is there, it's big. Now,